Now I'll solve a problem to find out the shortest substring that contains all distinct characters present in the string. Distinct character means all the characters means unique character, like here as the string is A B C D A B E, and distinct character will be A B C D and the E. Not again, it will not contain again A and B, like so we have to find out the shortest substring. Like this is also a string which have the all the substring, but this is the largest string which have all the character, but we have to find out the shortest substring. Here it will be shortest substring. What it will be? Like from C to E. From C to E, this substring have all the characters. For that, what we'll do? We'll set some pointer. We'll do it with sliding window. For that, we'll set two pointer. One is first pointer equal to 0, and another will take second pointer will be 1. Now we'll calculate the length of the character set. So what will be the character set present here? Character set will be present character set is A, then B, then C, then D, then E. And what is the length of it is? Length is 5. Length is 5. Okay. So how we'll find out the shortest substring? With the sliding window, now we'll keep track the frequency of the character whenever we will move from the left to right. First, the second pointer will move to the left to right, and we'll keep all the frequency in a counter. In a counter. In a counter, first will be A. Now currently A is equal to 1. A frequency is 1, and we have not when the SP in B, then we will enter the this B into the counter with the frequency 1. With the frequency 1. So B equal to 1. Like that, SP will move 1 by 1 till it will find one character which is already present in the counter. Okay. So now it will be C equal to 1, then D equal to 1. D equal to 1. Now SP will increase. SP will increase to when we'll move first A, then it will be 0. When it will be B, then it will be 1. When it will be C, then it will be 2. Now we are in D. So SP is 3. Currently SP is in 3. But next, when SP will move to 4, what we'll find? We'll find A again. A is already present in the counter. Already present in the counter. So what we'll do? We'll increase the frequency of A by 1, and at this time we'll move the first pointer. So first pointer is in position of 0. We'll check if first pointer, that character frequency, how much it is. If it is more than 1, then we'll reduce that counter value and we will move the pointer to right. So we'll move the pointer value right. Now it will be 1, and this frequency will be 1, reduced by 1. Now our string will be from B to A. It will be, and the substring length is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, SP is in position of A. Second pointer is in position of A. Now next move, second pointer will move to right. It will go 5. When it will go to the 5, then 5 is B, and it will increase to 2. Then again, when we'll move the SP by 1, then we'll check about the first pointer position. If the first pointer position, that character is more than 1, if it is more than 1, then the frequency will decrease by 1 and the first pointer will go right. Now it will be 2. First pointer in the position of C. Since C, the frequency is 1, it will stop there. And now again second pointer will move right. Now second pointer will move to right, E. E is, and since E is not in the counter, we will enter the E to the counter 1, and the SP will increase by 1. Increase by 1. So it is the 6. Then it will check again the FP, the first pointer. First pointer is 2, and 2, it is the character is C. We'll check counter, in counter, what is the frequency of C? It is 1. So it will not move further. Now since the second pointer has gone the rightmost character, so we will stop there, and we have find our substring. What is the substring? It will be now from 2 to E, from 2 to C to E, means 2.2, 6 point, and length will be length of substring will be SP minus FP plus 1. Why it is plus 1? Plus 1. Okay. This is our, here we will get the result. Now we'll go move to the code section, code part. Here already we have the code. In the code, I'm explaining about this code. Code is we are taking the, we are finding out the character set first, then finding out the length of the character set, and we have taken these variables. These variables are current substring length. First we set it to 1, since we have taken second pointer as 1 and first pointer is 0, so current substring length is 1. And counter, we set it the first first string we first already entered to the counter. We set the frequency of the first character, and minimum length of the substring, that is the highest um, highest length, the highest possible length of the substring we have taken, that is length of the string. And a minimum length substring pointer we have taken. This is because of the to record whenever we find any minimum length of substring, that will give the record of the first pointer. So we'll taken the we'll follow a while loop. We'll run a while loop first till the second pointer is less than the length of the string. So first we'll check the counter if the second pointer character is present in the counter. If it is not present, then we'll set the frequency 1. If and current substring length will increase. Then if it is not in counter, then we'll increase the frequency by 1, and we'll run a while loop for the first pointer, and first pointer will increase, and the first pointer counter will decrease if it is more than 1. Now after this we'll check if the current substring length is less than minimum length substring. If it is less than minimum length substring, then we will set the minimum length substring as the current substring length. Current substring length, what it is? It is first pointer minus second pointer minus first pointer plus 1. And we have set the first pointer as the minimum length substring first pointer. Like that, we will find the minimum length substring, the first pointer of the substring, and first point of the substring, and minimum length of the substring. So we'll run this. We'll see how it is giving the result. We'll see the result. No, it is 2 and 5 for this. If we'll take it, we'll move the E, then we'll see how it is. It is giving the 0 to 4. It's fine. Thank you watching my videos.